Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm looking at the Nissan Qashqai, which I looked at 3 years ago, and at the time the big concerns would be the front and rear subframes, which have a lot of corrosion on them generally if they're not looked after. So here you can see a bit of corrosion there, and on the other side a little bit of corrosion on this side here as well. They're not overly corroded, so it's not going to be an MOT failure or anything like that, but it's good. This is 3 years of dinitrol and waxoyl, and you can see the videos if you go back of the condition of the vehicle then and the condition of the vehicle now. 3 years have passed, as I said. Now I can go underneath this and just scrub this down with a wire brush and redo these areas, just these specific areas, and any other small bits like here, which are looking to get updated. Corrosion wise, this is surface corrosion is not a lot. All the internal areas have been dinitroled or waxoyl. I think dinitrol in the internal areas because it flows really nicely with capillary action. We also noticed a little bit of oil seeping from this gasket area here, okay, on the sump. So I think there's about 8 bolts that need to come out, and then we can apply a high temperature gasket sump sealer and then close it back up. So I checked up further up just to make sure the oil wasn't coming from the top there, and it's not. But overall, a very nice result with a very easy application with minimal preparation 3 years ago. I said 3 years ago that my objective was for there to be no areas where I'm going to need to patch or weld any areas. This is the radiator there. You can see without the front protector that is very accessible to stones. Again, look at this, a nice result at the back as well, all really clear. Walking through these plastic guards protect everything. You're not taking those off, so there may be corrosion on there, but Qashqais are known, as I said, for the front and rear subframes. Do look at the other videos on how I applied the waxoyl and dinitrol. You can get things like the Lano guard, but you don't have to do that every year. I think this is not a bad result.
Not bad.
Bearing in mind it was done very quickly, very easily. All I got to do is go back in and just touch up the areas, or just update the whole thing. But the main thing is wire brush it all down. Make sure you get a nice good contact for the oils to seep in and just work. Overall, as I said, not a bad result. Do subscribe to the channel and have a look at the other videos that I make just on me working on my car, doing it as quickly as and efficiently as possible without involving expensive costs. So these are simple things you can do. Thank you so much for watching, and just as I said, just take your time, look at these videos, see just look at the way things are. Take care. Bye.